Good evening. Today is Sunday, December 3, 2023, and here are the 7 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Square 3 7 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lock 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for December 3, 2023, Sunday. Here are the SL Square 3 7 p.m. result for Mandaue City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for Sunday, December 3, 2023. Thank you for watching this 7 p.m. video for evening of Sunday, December 3, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.